This is your local news brief for Friday, April 16th, 2021. As of Thursday, April 15th, the city of Pasadena reported 11,186 COVID-19 cases and 340 COVID-related deaths. Nearly 65% of Pasadenans have received at least one dose of a COVID vaccine, and over 40% of residents are fully vaccinated. On Tuesday, April 13th, LA County public health officials announced a pause in administering the Johnson & Johnson vaccine in response to a recommendation by the federal government following reports that 6 women from across the U.S. had developed unusual blood clots. Although the chances of developing blood clots from the vaccine are 1 in a million, Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer said the county won't bring the Johnson & Johnson shot back until the FDA and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention review the situation. The Pasadena Convention Center is looking forward to reopening with the state June 15th. The reopening of the Convention Center also means the reopening of the Pasadena Civic Auditorium, the Pasadena Convention and Visitors Bureau, and the Ice Skating Center. Pasadena Center Operating Company Chief Executive Officer Mike Ross believes the expected influx of conventions and entertainment activities will drive bookings at local hotels, providing the city with much-needed tax revenue. According to a report in an October City Council Finance Committee agenda, the Pasadena Center Operating Company will not begin to make up for the loss of transient occupancy tax revenue caused by the pandemic until the 2024 fiscal year. During the pandemic, events at the Convention Center complex were reduced to just a few television events, jury empanelments, and, at one point, a field hospital. The first scheduled public convention at the Pasadena Convention Center will be the International Gem and Jewelry Show, July 14th through the 18th. Pasadena Water and Power will be reinstating late fees and shutoffs for customers who are delinquent on their utility bills. Officials say they are unlikely to turn off the lights for residential customers, but are looking at more stringent enforcement around the city's commercial businesses. The city paused delinquency penalty enforcement last March, but will resume applying late fees on July 1st and begin shutoffs as early as September 7th for medium and large commercial businesses. On Monday, April 12th, the City Council unanimously voted that PWP could resume delinquency penalty enforcement. However, the utility company will also offer select customers financial hardship assistance in the form of refunds on initial deposits for service. Some of the largest amounts owed are from commercial properties, residences with a homeowners association, and medium and large businesses.